I graduated from dental assisting school and I put all that time and effort into graduating. I wanted to utilize that degree, and no dentist would fix my teeth like temporarily. No dentist is gonna hire me with my teeth messed up like this. So I kind of let that dream go. I was just sad, and when I shared my story at church, I was all concerned. I was like, oh man, my teeth are looking really messed up. And I was like, but you know what, I'm gonna share my story at church. And then I got a phone call that somebody wanted to, I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? Never in a million years did I think that anybody would be willing to help me. The dream of getting my dental assisting career going, it's something that I could look forward to in the future now.